Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Heading out to pick up another project vehicle. I'll show you what it is in here in a second. Gonna make an emergency stop before we left. Yeah, you can see the belt. It's nice and shiny. This tire's about ready to explode. So I got the spare on, I got a new spare put on it, and see if I can make this trip. This is my 96 Ford Bronco XLT. It's got little rocker issues, need to be addressed. Shouldn't be able to see through once you open the door. There's the Eddie Bauer overhead console. Rat's nest of wiring, random things going on. Super Duty center console. A homemade welded handle. The rear perch is completely rotted out and gone. That's super cool. Back area here is all rusted out. Exhaust is rusted out. This spring perch has been replaced. Decent tread on these 31s. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. New rocker panel replacement there for the driver's side. And figure out something else for the passenger side. A little bit of work to do. Kind of hard to see what is mud and what is rust. So I have to clean this off. Well, yeah, it still needs to be washed. I'm going to take these fender flares off, figure out what's going on back behind here. Looks like I can actually see the mounts now. Leaf spring shackle back here. Yeah, it's pretty much rotted out and gone. So that's a replace ASAP. On the passenger side here, bolts are broken off for that spare tire mount in the back. That's gonna be a pain to get those out. And a little bit of rust going on in here. And then the hitch receiver here got some structural issues, so that needs to be replaced. Quite a bit of rust going on right here, so I need to replace this section of the rocker panel. As the rust continues on through here, and oh, that's the wiring. That's there's no rocker left. That's cool. That's yeah. There's anyway. There's a door seal. I mean, it's just holding the seatbelt down. I mean, that's probably fine, right? There's probably no structural issues there, right? I'm sure. It's cool. There's nothing holding this on anymore. I'm gonna have to get some lug nuts because these are kind of mangled. I don't know what they're doing here, but there's like 6 different types of lug nuts here. Checking out this area because the guy said he replaced the front driver's side caliper, and that's when he noticed that the brake line in the rear was leaking. So caliper, yeah, it's new. It's good. The pads are not horrible, but obviously not new. And he had replaced this mount back here because this is all kind of rotted out. So he's got a correct mount bolted into the frame, and then this side has got curved. What's going on here? Yeah, I don't think that shock is installed correctly. That's what's kind of left of the parking brake cable. Pretty sure that doesn't work. Let's see if I can do a little bit more pressure washing here and get the rest of this kind of muddy area cleaned up. So I can figure out if there's anything else up on this front corner that I need to fix. Quick detach bumper, just with these little corner bolts. Why is there so much stuff broken on this? Man, it doesn't take much, just a minimal maintenance. Just stop breaking stuff. Well, let's see how bad this is. God, look how much mud was storing in here. Oh my, that's sand. Plastic fender flare was doing a really good job of holding in dirt and salt and moisture, and so down here it's all, that's what happens. I'm helping. Yeah, well, now there's nothing left of fender flare. One screw up there holding it on somehow. It's going to come out pretty soon. And yeah, all right. Well, I'm going to pressure wash this, figure out how much more stuff I can get off of that. Oh, crap.